Bullet. 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 Give me that camera. Flip the screen so she can see herself. Oh, now she does. Now she's on the camera. Okay, the video's over. That doesn't mean doesn't let me play with her toys. Look at this. I'm not even after her. This one is spinning. Bullet! Uh-oh, it's stuck. Mean parakeet. Let's see if I can play with it. Nope. I'm gonna play with it. I'm gonna play with it. She's got me with her foot. Uh-oh, now she's on my finger. Alright, I'm gonna play with this one. This is my ring now. This is my ring down here. I got it. Nope. Alright, I'm gonna go way over here. Way over here and play with this pink bell. Nobody's playing with it. She's stuck in the ring. Nobody's playing with this bell. I'm playing with it now. Well, angry popping sounds. This is a bell nobody's using. Nobody's using this bell. I'm playing with it now. The budgie jacks. She loves her budgie jacks. But they fall through the holes in the cage. And I usually put them up in the play gym. But she likes to throw them, which is what budgies are supposed to do, but then they sometimes end up in the tray, and then nobody can reach them, and they have to be rescued. And she's on my hand. Oh! Oh, in the food bowl. I gotta rescue them all, put them back up there.